Before starting a cultivation experiment on the BioLector XT microbioreactor, the gassing lid with the microtiter plate needs to be mounted inside the incubation chamber. First, ensure the adapter plate is positioned correctly. For batch cultivations, the cover must be mounted at the top side to hide the microvalve outlets. To then mount the gassing lid, grip it carefully with both your hands. Avoid tilting, as this would cause wetting of the MTP sterile barrier foil. Place it inside the incubation chamber and mount the gassing lid on the protruding pins. First, connect the gas lines via the quick connectors by pushing the heads down until they snap into place. Then, push down the two levers, preferably simultaneously, to secure the gassing lid in place. Double-check for a tight fit. Having ensured that, you can now start the cultivation experiment. After the experiment is finished, dismount the gassing lid from the incubation chamber. Turn the levers and disconnect the gas lines by pulling the quick connector rings upward. You can then take out the gassing lid and shut down the microbioreactor.